What's up, guys? This is Craig Smith. Today I'm going to discuss the investment tax credit that you get if you purchase a solar system for your home. So, if you own your home and it's your primary residence and you purchase a solar system, you get a 30% tax credit. What this means is, let's say it's a $30,000 system, and I'm not saying they're all $30,000 systems, but just for the example I'm trying to give, if it's a $30,000 solar system, you get a 30% tax credit that gets you $9,000. And that $9,000 is like a gift card for taxes that you owe. So if you're a 1099 independent contractor, once April 15th comes, typically you're writing a check for taxes that you owe on the income you earn throughout the year, right? So let's say you earned $50,000 as an independent contractor, and at the end of the year, you have to write a check for $5,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, whatever it might be. To make this example easy, let's say you had to write a check for $9,000 based on your $50,000 income. Well, you had a $9,000 tax credit for your solar purchase. You owe them no more money, okay? You do not owe them money. Now, let's say you only owed $3,000. Well, since you have a $9,000 federal tax credit, now basically you don't owe them the $3,000, and you still have $6,000 remaining that you can roll over for the next 5 years if you need to. So if you need to spread it out, $3,000 first year, $3,000 second year, $3,000 third year, you're able to do that so that you can take advantage, full advantage of the $9,000 tax credit, right? Now, if you're a W-2 employee and you're thinking, well, at the end of the year, I get money back. I never owe money. Well, just because you get money back doesn't mean the federal tax credit won't benefit you. When you get money back, what that means is that you overpaid, okay? So when you're a W-2 employee, they withhold your money throughout the year, and they basically store it. They don't give it away. It sits there, and at the end of the year, what they're basically trying to do is anticipate how much money you're going to have in taxes based on what you earn, what they project you're going to earn, and what you claim, whether you claim 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever it is that you claim on there every paycheck. So even if you get money back, it doesn't mean you won't benefit from the tax credit. Okay. Now, I'm not a tax professional, so I'm not going to tell people when I'm working with them exactly, oh, you'll get this back, you won't get that back. But what I'm saying is it benefits most people who work and pay taxes. It's that simple. If you work and you pay taxes, you most likely will benefit from it. And if you don't benefit at $9,000 per year, you can spread it over 5 years. So whether you get a $2,000 federal tax credit or a $20,000 federal tax credit, you have 5 years to spread it over based on your tax liability. This will benefit most people. And there's also a time frame on these tax credits that this year in 2019, it's 30%. If you get installed in 2019 for solar, you will get a 30% tax credit. If you get installed in 2020, next year, it's a 26% tax credit. And if you get installed in 2021, it's a 22% tax credit. And after that, there's no more tax credit. Essentially, nearly a third of your system is being paid off through federal tax credit. It makes it pretty smart to purchase now because 30% or even 26% or 22% of a big number is an even bigger number. So right now, for those who are procrastinating solar or waiting until they quote-unquote figure solar out, solar's been around for 50 years. They don't really need to figure it out anymore. But if that's what you're waiting for, you're going to miss out on a huge incentive that's only available now. So for those considering solar, now is the best time. Getting it installed this year is the best time. When it comes to saving money, when is the best time to save money? Next year? Next decade? Or today? Well, I like to say if I'm saving, I'd like to be saving now, not tomorrow, not next week. Thanks a lot. If you guys have any more questions about solar, you can check out my Facebook page, Craig Smith, at Craig Smith Solar on Facebook. And you can direct message me there, ask questions on the Facebook page. But just a little solar nugget for you guys.